2 mangoes sliced, 3 peaches sliced, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon condensed milk, 2 tablespoons mango ice cream, 1 glass of chilled milk. Blend it. Blending ice cubes at this time will enhance its taste. Its viscosity is so yummy and delicious. Garnish it with mango, peach chunks and chopped almonds. That you will definitely enjoy it. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, like and share. Fellow and friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notifications of our upcoming videos. Love you all. Bye bye.